The generator provides your Solis 120 volt AC power just like the outlets in your house. Plugging into shore power does the same thing, but when you can't plug in, you have the generator. Running the generator is really easy, but first you want to make sure it's safe to start it. The generator's exhaust can get hot, so you want to make sure there's nothing combustible under it like dry grass. It's also a good practice to close the driver's side bedroom window because that's right above the generator exhaust. To turn the generator on, you hold down the start button until you hear it start. You're going to need to let it warm up, and this takes a minute. And you'll know it's ready when you hear the click of the transfer switch coming from the back of the coach. And you won't have power until you hear that click. There it was. Now once you do have power, you can use the 120 volt outlets just like you do at your house. To turn off the generator, just hold down the stop button on the panel until you hear it stop. There is some required maintenance for your generator, so do make sure you consult your owner's manual for that.